Today, the Apple just released the new iPad Generation 8. This is the Wi-Fi version and it is the 32 GB. Let's see the packing. Actually, must got an iPad, and then this is the silver gray color, and then we can see that um, the size is so thin, so I think it's easy to take away. And then the big change is to this version, the charging cable is USB-C to Lightning. The previous version is USB to Lightning only, so this is a big change. When you start up this iPad, the iOS version already is iOS 14. This is the newest version announced in Wednesday. Even in this Generate 8 iPad does not change any graphical equipment, but we can see that in this generation, Apple has changed the CPU to 812. For previous version, only 810. So that's when you are playing some games or watching the video is much efficiency than the previous version. And thank you for watching this short review of iPad. Thank you.